one's gonna win, the baby lawnmower or the Blippi lawnmower?
Blippi lawnmower.
Okay, ready, set, go!
Tashy's ready! Yay!
Okay. Hey, boys and girls. This is something we just got for baby Faith because Joshua and Faith love the Blippi lawnmower so much. But baby had a really hard time pushing it. So we got her this super cute little Tikes baby lawnmower. It is super neat. It's a gas lawnmower, which we'll talk to you guys a little bit about more. But we're going to compare it today, and we're going to have a race with the boom, 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 Blippi lawnmower. And we're going to see the little Tikes play lawnmower versus the Blippi big lawnmower, and see which one races faster based off of Joshua and Faith, that is. And we're going to talk about the differences between the two, because there are quite a few differences besides it being a toy, of course. Just the size, as you can see, is a huge difference. But there's some pretty cool stuff. I hope you guys enjoy it. Watch for Joshie and Faith dancing with the lawnmower, racing with the lawnmower, chasing with the lawnmower. It's going to be super fun. Check out this cool little Tikes lawnmower that we got for baby Faith. It's so cute. It has a little gas bottle. And look, this actually opens up so you can go pour the gas in. And then after you pour the gas, you put your gas bottle back. You turn the keys to on, and you have two different functions. There's the fast one with the little picture of the rabbit, and the slow function, which is the picture of the turtle. But the coolest part of all, boys and girls, check this noise out. That sounds pretty cool. And then there's little bouncy balls that bounce up and down. That is pretty neat stuff. And then if you look and compare,
Let's get more.
check out the size difference between the play one and the real Blippi lawnmower that Daddy created last time. Big difference, boys and girls, is that one's an electrical one. So look, you don't find any place that you can find to put gas in because it's hooked up with electricity over there. Different kind of lawnmower. You have electrical and you have gas. Pretty neat looking, huh? Baby Faith is going to have a blast with this thing.
Blippi tractor!
Oh yeah, Joshua. Oh yeah. So good. Oh yeah, Joshua, look at that fancy footwork Joshua's doing now. Amazing. Oh no, let's see if you can. Come on. Come on, lawnmower. How about Joshua be the lawnmower monster? Josh? No, you, because that one's too hard to push. So let brother be the lawnmower monster. He chased you, Faith, because you're small. Okay, ready, set, go! Is that hard to push, Joshua? Okay, which one's gonna win, the baby lawnmower or the Blippi lawnmower?
Blippi lawnmower.
Okay, ready, set, go!
I
The mark, get set, go! Gas for that. Blippi lawnmower? Can you find a gas station for the Blippi lawnmower? I know, Joshua. And this one